Good morning, everyone. This is Ms. Sparks with my Earth Science in a Box kit for zoology class at UPSM. Your first step when you get your boxes, you just want to unpack it. Find a place like your dining room table or outside on the sidewalk, or if you go to a park on a bench, and just lay out all your items. Take an inventory and make sure that you have everything. One of the most important things in your kit are the directions. So there's some background information here. Hopefully you're starting to appreciate how earth science really complements all the other sciences because everything we do is integrated and works together with the earth. Once you have read your background and you've done your pre-assessment questions, then you're going to turn to the third page where you have a list of experiments. And to start, you're going to choose one of the experiments, keep a record of what you're doing, take pictures, make a video, and then I'm going to ask that you share your video or just live in person. Tell us about your project, your experience, and we'll share out at this week's class. And then Mr. Young and I will be taking a look and evaluating you to give you improvements and suggestions as you develop your science skills. And we have some spots this summer for you to work with him at his Ecotek Lab. So we are looking for serious science students that really invest themselves in this project. So have fun. Don't worry about making mistakes. Make a bunch of mistakes, and I will see you for class on Thursday.